Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're receiving this error, that is we couldn't open MP3, wait a bit and try again. Error code may be 0x800704D or 0x80070002. Now the first step is to rename the file. So whichever media file it is, you can simply rename it. Try to rename it. You can rename it whatever you want. This is just an example. MP3 maybe. Just rename the file and then you can check. If that does not work, the next step is to, let me restore to default. If the rename does not work, you can create a copy of that MP3 file. Now for this, you can press Control while holding the Control key on the keyboard. You can drag this, you can drag the file. It will create a copy. Once the copy is created, now you can try this and that should help. Now still not working, you can convert the file. Now you can use shutter encoder or VLC, any media, free media encoder, and you can re-encode it or you can just convert it to the same or slightly different settings. You can up or lower down bitrate and then check. For example, you can select any go to any media encoder and then, for example, convert and save. You can add the file. And then you can click on convert. Over here you can see profile, click on this settings icon. You can go to video or audio, whichever file is it. In my case I will select audio. Then you can over here put a check and then you can try to, you can keep the same settings, or you can, if you want to, you can try to change maybe one, lower down or up bitrate, and then you can create. So just create a new file, like convert the file and just change for the name of just, you can save it with the same settings or different settings and then check. This has also worked for many players, many users, so it might work for you. Next is to restart Windows Update Services, Windows Audio Services. For this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Audio Service. Here you can see Windows Audio, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Try different media player, like instead of using Windows media player, you can use VLC or maybe any other free media player and then check. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.